Today, in this video, I will show you how to create a new Gmail account from scratch. If you find this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Now let's get started. First of all, open the Gmail app on your mobile. Now, click on the right side corner of the profile icon and then click on the option, Add another account. Click on the Google option here and then wait for 3 to 5 seconds until a new option comes. To create a new account, click on the option, Create Account, and then you will see two options. Click on the first option for my personal use because I am creating a Gmail account for a person, not for any business. Now on this page, enter your name here, but the surname is optional. You may enter it or not, it depends on you. After entering your name, click Next. Here, enter your date of birth, which should be older than 18 years. Below this, select your gender and then click Next again. Now, here make your email address. But see, my name address is showing as not available. This may be occurring on your side, but don't worry. Add some numbers after your name and then try again. It will be available. Now, create a strong password that should be a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters. After creating a strong password, don't forget to take a screenshot of your password, as it will be used for future login. After all that, click the Next button. Here, you have to wait for 5 to 10 seconds. Now, see that the phone number adding option has come up here. I am not going to add my phone number, but if you want to add yours, you can do so. Otherwise, simply click on the skip option. Then click the Next button here, and after that, here on this page, scroll down to the bottom and click on More Options. Now, here you can turn on or off your web and app activity. It means that if you turn it on, then your web and app activity will be saved to your Google account, and if you turn it off, then no activity will be saved in your Google account. Now tick this box icon. It will send you occasional reminders about the setting. Then click the I agree button, and now you have to wait a few seconds until you are automatically redirected to the email section. Now all steps have been completed. You can see your new account by clicking on your profile icon. Here, you can see my new account has showing with the name Kelvin Smith. This is how you can create a new Gmail account, but if you have any doubts, then please comment below.